Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to configure iPhone 16 Pro Max to use manual or automatic IP address. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now open a main page of settings and then click on Wi-Fi. After clicking on Wi-Fi, you can see the info icon on Wi-Fi. Then click on info icon and then scroll down and you can see the option configure IP address. Now simply click on configure IP address. Here it will be selected automatically by default. So if you want to use manual, then simply click on manual and here enter your IP address, subnet mask and then router. And you can use boot P and you can use automatic. So this is the way to configure iPhone 16 Pro Max to use manual or automatic IP address. Thanks for watching this video.